Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to add reminder control to your iPhone's control center in iOS 26 or later. Creating a reminder is now easier than ever before in iOS 26 thanks to the ability to add reminder control directly to the control center. With this all new feature, you can quickly create a reminder without having to open the Reminders app, making it perfect for jotting down tasks on the go. That said, let's get started. So first we have to bring up the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to long press any blank space and hit the add control button. Then you have to scroll down to the reminder section and select new reminder, and that's about it. Going forward, you can add a reminder by just hitting this reminder icon in your control center. Note that tapping on the new reminder control doesn't open the full Reminders app. Instead, a pretty compact pop-up panel appears, giving you all the tools needed to create a task right from your current screen. After that, you can select the reminders list, add notes, set a date, time or location, and even flag the task. Even better, the interface supports natural language input. Simply type something like meeting tomorrow at 5 p.m. and iOS 26 will automatically interpret it and show the appropriate time suggestion in the Siri suggestions bar above the keyboard. This feature drastically reduces the number of steps needed to set up a detailed reminder, making it perfect for quick and accurate task entry. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily create a reminder right from your iPhone's control center in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.